Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to continue just adding a modification for the category channel here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to basically create through the admin just a category here and add channels so we can see that they're like loading, right? So I'm going here, servers, and then now here let's choose let's just choose this one, right? Okay, so here we don't have a category. Oh, I need to add it to the. You go here, server. Let me open the models, and then let me open the admin because we need to add. We need to register here. So admin site dot register, and then here let me put test. Let me import test channel and also category. This goes here, comma, right? Let me put category here. Oops. Copy this one. Put this channel. Save that. Now we can add it out of here. So let me create a new category, and I will call it general, whatever. And I'm gonna add a new test channel, and that test channel will be main chat, I guess, or main main chat of the members, right? Main chat of the server, right? We save that and then we save. Okay, so now let's go to our servers, gaming club, and then let me add the category general here. Okay. Oh, it's making me to add some users. So let me just add. Let me just add this user for now. We have like 6, 7, and 8, right? And the moderators, it could be any of these ones. Okay, so we save that. Now, when we click on this one, we want this new, the new category and the channel inside of that category to load, right? So now let's start doing that, right? So let's go to layout server. Okay, we're here. Okay, let's go down. Okay. Okay, so here in the menu, on top of this one, we need to add the categories to load, right? So it will be server detail dot categories. Okay, and we're going to map, right? So category and our arrow. Oops. Just like that. And let's just move this one to here. Just move that one here. And it's going to map the categories in here. So it's going to be our label, our ID, this one, this menu. So let's put the key here, right? So key will be category.id, and then here we're gonna pass category.title. Okay. And okay, so here will be our channels, right? Let's just delete those. Menu list. Category that test channels, right? That's the field. We're going to map those. I'm gonna call it test channel, and our arrow in here, and then we move this one here to make our lane like inside of the map. Okay. The lead will be our key. So test channel .id, and then here test channel .type, just like that. Very simple. Okay. Let's save that, and let's run this. Let's click on this one, and as you can see, this is our category, and this is the basically the test channel. It's loading. So now let's make these buttons to work. Okay. So now let's go to server. And let's go up here, and here we're going to basically create the states for the models, right? So, oops, let me move this a little bit. Okay. Okay, just like that. So here, let me put a state for the models. Okay, the first one will be for just the category. So this one is very simple. Just copy this one. Paste it here. Title, new category, or title new STG, just to basically set category. And here we put that. Okay. Let's copy this one. Title new CH, that will be the channel, right? Remember to change it here, of course. Okay, new CH, that will be the title, and here that will be the topic. So topic is placed there here. Okay, and we need to get the basically the category that is active, right? Because when we click on this one, because we have like different categories, we're gonna have like different buttons. Sorry, we're gonna have like different like add channel buttons for like each category, right? That's why let me make sure that it's inside. Let me see. Okay, now this is from oh yeah, so yeah, no, never mind, it will be like that. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, so let's go here. So yeah, as I was saying, we need to have we need to make sure that when we add a new channel, we add it to the category that button belongs to. So we're gonna have a state here called active category. Yeah, active category new channel. That's very confusing. Category or CTG for new channel, just like that. I hope that makes more sense. Okay. Just copy this. Okay. I hope that makes sense. These state is for the category, and these ones are for the channels. These three. Okay. So now let's go. Let's go to the bottom. To our model, and let's do the changes. So here in our input, remember we're gonna add change here e what is that thing though? Just for some reason I was like completing the word with export. So we're gonna have set title new category, just that one. Okay, and then target.value. Simple. Okay, we have that one ready. So now here, create new test channel. Go to our input here. On change. On change. Set new. You can just copy this if you want. Set new title, new channel. Set title, new channel, just like that. Okay. Target.value. Okay. Very simple. That's for the new title, and then here the topic. Change. Set. Oops. Target.value. Just like that. Okay. Okay, we have those ready. Now we need to make our buttons, right? Okay, so let's go to the top here, and we're gonna have like here we're gonna have basically the submit buttons. Okay, so cons. Let me go to okay, so handle submit category. Just like that. Prevent. Let me just copy it. I don't want. We add the prevent default. Okay. So now here we need to call our services, right? So command. Let's go to servers. Let's import create new category here and create new channel. Very simple. Okay, so for the new category, we need the server ID and the title. So let's go here and let's copy, create new category. Paste it here, and we're gonna add, remember, server detail. So this is very simple. So we call the server detail that we have here, and then we just put .id to pass the ID, and now we pass our title new category state, we pass it here, and that's it. Okay, so now we're gonna have a response, right? So then we're gonna have a response and our arrow, just like that. Server detail categories, that categories dot push, because we have like this category, we're receiving another one, so we want to push it here so we can like basically add it right here, so we don't have to reload the server and all of that. So response, we push the response to the basically like array, response, push, and we need to close the model, right? We call our model close function because we just added, right? And then here we pass the ID, which is add category hyphen model. Okay, so we make the request and we get the response. The response will basically be the new category created, and we push that category to our category arrays here. So it will render here, and then we just close the model, and that's it. That will be for the handle submit category, pretty much. Okay. So let's do the submit for the channel. This one will be a little trickier. Arrow, create default, create new channel, pass it here, and then if we go to our services for the new channel, we need the server ID. So we pass the server ID. The server ID. We pass the category ID. And where we get that category ID? The category ID, we get it from our state here, right? That's the active, basically, category. So we pass that. Here. That's basically how it is. And now we pass the title. And we pass the topic. And we pass the topic. And we get our response. Oops, screenshot it out. So we get our response. So what we need to basically push that response in our channel, right? Which belongs to the category. So we need to basically server detail that categories, that filter. We need to find that category that we're going to push the new item. So we're going to have to use OBJ or object, or whatever you want to call it, object.id, because we're going to filter that category with the ID. If that category equals to this category, just like that, we're going to put in the top, right, in the field test channels, right, that's the field, we're going to push the response, just like that. And what we're going to do, basically with this one, we're going to filtering here, or like trying to find that category with the ID. We're gonna, in the test channels field, we're going to add the new test channel that we just created with push up. We have to do it this way because I don't see any other way. If you know, just let me know. So now we just need to close the model. Model close, channel model. Okay, we created the services. Oh wait. So to update this one, this set, we need to go to our model. Okay, so our model trigger, here in our model trigger, we're going to basically update that. So here we're going to pass another parameter called category ID. Okay, and then here we're going to set the new category. And that one will be the category ID. Just like that. And when we close it, we want to update that. So because we are not, so let's go here. Let's make this empty, just like that. Okay, so and you might be wondering why in the models. Well, basically when we click in one in the, for example, like here, we're passing so we're gonna get the category ID from that event. I mean, from that button that belongs to the category ID. So it's easier for us to track the ID of that model, right? Okay, let's save that. And so yeah, let's go here to the models, right? So let's start with a new category. Okay. Okay, so here in our button to save changes, here let's put I mean, you can put on top of the header like that, form, and then on submit. Oops. On submit of that form will be the handle submit category. Just like that. We close that, and we close the form just after the footer here, just like that. Okay. Okay, so now in our save changes, this one will be a typed submit. Let's change that to type submit. And now here, yeah, just that, because this is the handle submit. Okay, so now let's copy this whole thing. That's for the category, and this one is for the channel, the new channel. Put that here. Let's put form like that. Let's make these to type submit. And then here, handle submit channel. Let's put oops, where is my channel? Okay, here. Handle submit channel. Okay. Okay, but for this one, let me see. Okay, let's go. Okay, so now here in our okay, so here in our channel, as you can see, our model trigger, in the add channel, we need to add a new field, a new parameter, because remember, on top of here, this trigger is also accepting a category ID. and that'll be for our test channel. So here we put comma and we pass category dot ID. Very simple. We save that, and I think we can test this. Let's run this game. It's not crashing. Let's refresh. Here, and let's add a new category, okay? And then this category will be let's put squad. Save changes, and as you can see, this is a new category, squad. And if we go to the admin, categories, you have squad. And now let's try a new channel. And this channel, let's add squad, I don't know, team 1, and the topic, let's put, I don't know, team 1 main chat, something like that. I don't know. Save changes. That one didn't work. Let's see what was the error. Then it's not defined. And we have also, we need a, okay, that's in the servers, right? So here, oh, we forgot to put the dot. So dot them. And I think that the channel was created. Yep. Okay, it was just created. Let's just delete those. I'm sure. Okay, squad. Okay. So we forgot to click the dot there. Okay, so now let's go to so we have the key there. I don't understand why it says that we don't have a key. Very interesting. Okay. Okay, let's rerun this again. Oh, I think I forgot to save. Okay, let's rerun this again. I save. We refresh, we click on here, we have our channels, and then here let's create a new channel. Let's call it team 1 main chat, and let's click save changes, and as you can see, we have team 1 right here. Okay. Okay. We need to change the class name for the companies here. Okay, so we got these ones ready, just our categories and our category channels and all of that, our test channels. So in the next video, we're going to basically add functionality. When we click on any of these, the main chat will open here in the middle. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.